Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing and enabling the picture-in-picture extension so you can call the player anytime. Open your browser's add-ons page, add the extension, and accept permissions for tabs and overlays. This allows the floating window to remain on top. Once done, pin the extension to your toolbar so it's always visible. Now test the button on any video page. If the video plays in a floating window, you've completed the first actionable step and are ready to customize controls. Next, configure how the PyP window behaves so it fits your workflow. Open extension options and set size, aspect ratio, and the default screen corner so the player doesn't block important UI. Make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled for play/pause and next/previous. These speed routine use. Also decide whether audio should be independent or mirror the source tab. This prevents dual audio. Once configured, test with multiple sites to ensure consistent sizing and that shortcuts work across tabs and windows. To finish, use the toolbar icon or right-click menu to launch PyP on any video. Drag and resize the window as needed, and return to the Source tab to control full-screen features. Make sure to close PyP when finished to free resources and reopen using the extension icon to restore playback. If the extension stops working, restart the browser, clear the cache, or check permissions for tab access. Re-enable or reinstall the extension if permissions were reset. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.